Christmas decoration was originally made from strands of silver? Key.
Tinsel.
Yes. Grab yourself a donut without a bowl. What star sign would you be if you're born on Christmas Day?
Sagittarius?
Close, Capricorn. December is Sagittarius.
I knew it!
Oh shoot, sorry.
Eating one anyway.
I was going to redo that.
Halt!
Who created the very first Christmas lights display?
No idea.
He invented, yes? Key.
Something Eiffel.
No. I'll give you a clue. He invented the light bulb. Jesse. You have 5 seconds.
I can't think with you two doing that.
Time's over. Key.
Thomas Edison.
Correct.
Oh, no.
Here's another question for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
In what year did Google start tracking Santa Claus? Key.
2010.
No. Jesse.
2013.
No.
2012.
No.
2011.
No.
2014.
2015.
2015.
2016.
2016.
2020.
2017.
They
2018.
never did.
Go back in history, Mom.
2007.
1999.
2008. 2009.
2000.
2007.
One at a time.
2010.
Key.
1998.
No. Jesse.
2011.
No.
2009.
Key. No.
2007.
No.
2008.
No.
2006.
No.
2005.
2004.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah!
You just couldn't have gone up. Just started tracking Santa Claus.
That's a little creepy.
Slightly pervish of Google. I mean, what if the guy's going to the bathroom or something?
And tracking him, not looking at him.
That's a fair point.
You have to think about this question. Not that you don't know the answer, because I don't think you're going to know the answer, but you do know the song very well. It's the song that we always play first at Christmas time when we had our music. So if you can remember, when we put up our tree, there's always one song that we play, and the question relates to that particular song. Okay, so that's the first clue I'm going to give you before I ask you the question. It's a bit of a riddle, this one.
2 options in my head.
Alright, so what was the first song ever broadcasted from space is the question, and it's the same song that we played when we put our Christmas tree up.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
No, it's not, Jesse Key.
Jingle Bell Rock.
Yes! We always do Jingle
Yeah,
Bells.
it's just so hilarious because I can imagine an astronaut popping his head to the song in space while he's rotating Earth. I can't mime the song, I haven't got that much rhythm, but it's funny. It's a funny image. I get one. You can't let that happen.
No.
On your marks, get set, go.
Okay.
So,
Dancer, Prancer, Prancer.
Donna, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Comet, Cupid, Rudolph and Blitzen, Olive.
Who are we missing? don't know.
I'm chewing my tiny nails in fear.
Is there a reindeer with an axe?
No.
Oh no, you're bummed out.
No.
Don't be mean.
Don't be a sore loser.
I'm one fair and square.
Thank you, darling.
Donuts.
Right.
So I'll say them for you. So there's Prancer, Dancer, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Dasher, Vixen, Blitzen, and Rudolph.
We forgot Vixen. Let me have a look at that list.
There you go.
We only missed one.
There's Prancer, Dancer, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Dasher, Vixen, and Blitzen, and Rudolph.
We only missed Vixen.
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 Interesting fact, all of Santa's reindeers are apparently female. There's no mixed gender because they deliver their presents during Christmas, and male reindeers in real life lose their antlers in winter, and females keep theirs. So when the art shows Santa flying with his sleigh, they all have antlers, so they're all female. You can look at it logically, and that's that, but we forgot Vixen.
The only one. The one that destroyed us. The one we lost. Which really likes 2 donuts.
Okay. Right.
Well,
Well,
this has been fun.
and we'll see you next
Next
time.
time.
And thanks for watching.